This is the snow here at the house. Got at least a good 3 inches here on the ground. I'm gonna walk out to the main road and see how it is out there. Alright, here we are on the main road. It's pretty icy out here. Still see some cars out on the road. This guy is rolling right along. We can see there's quite a bit of ice packed up on the roads here. Traffic is really light. Toyota rolling by with chains on. That's probably going to be the most reliable way to get around here. Now we're in a flat area right here, but this flat area ends in about 2 miles each direction. Goes in really steep hill, so they're doing okay on this flat, but once you get out on the hill, it's another story. Well, hopefully all the snow will be gone in a couple days. Get back to a normal life. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy.